What if your knowledge could make you money without ever showing your face? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your brain into a bank by monetizing what you know through faceless content. It's easier than you think, and anyone can do it. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more real strategies to earn online and build digital income. Let's get started. 1. Choose a profitable knowledge niche. Start by identifying a topic you know well that solves a real-world problem or deep frustration. This can be skills you've learned, struggles you've overcome, or insights from your own journey. Focus on areas where people actively seek answers and are willing to pay for expert guidance. Examples include productivity, personal finance, fitness, mindset, relationships, or parenting. Even niche interests like gardening, copywriting, or resume tips can build monetized content. The goal is to turn your experience into answers that save people time, stress, or confusion. Avoid chasing trends instead. Offer evergreen insight that solves problems every single day. Use free keyword tools to find what people search and tailor your content to those exact needs. Your brain becomes the source of value once your niche connects expertise with real pain points. 2. Outline core problems and solutions. List the biggest struggles your audience faces and outline your unique answers to each one. Break big ideas into small wins. Each piece can be turned into valuable faceless content. Every question people ask is an opportunity to create, rank, and earn from that solution. Use online forums, reviews, and comments to discover what frustrates or confuses people. This lets you create ultra-relevant videos, scripts, or posts that feel made just for them. Keep solutions simple, specific, and practical. No fluff, just real answers people can use. Map your knowledge into a content structure that helps people go from stuck to successful. Each solution becomes a video, blog post, guide, or even a course you can sell over time. 3. Create faceless content formats. You do not need to show your face. Use slides, voiceovers, stock clips, or screen recordings. Faceless content thrives on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Medium, or even podcast audio. Use text-to-speech tools, AI visuals, or royalty-free assets to create content quickly. What matters is not your appearance, it's the clarity and usefulness of what you explain. Tutorials, tips, walkthroughs, comparisons, and how-to guides all work beautifully. Faceless channels often outperform face-based ones by focusing purely on value delivery. You can write scripts, then outsource narration or use your voice with simple background video. Keep visuals engaging but simple. Highlight points, diagrams, or results people want. 4. Build an educational content library. Turn your knowledge into an ongoing series of content